Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto YouTube channel. Inside this video, let's talk about the latest update of PSE Network. PSE mining project. As you know, distribution is coming soon. After 2 days, we will see the airdrop of PSE Network. So in order to get the airdrop, what things we need to do? Because we need to install the Bomi application. Bomi application is a new mining project. So we need to install it and then we need to submit some information to the developers in order to get our airdrop. Further, after that, you can transfer your airdrop to MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet. So step by step, I will guide you inside this video. Make sure watch this video completely, share this video with everyone, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about PSE, mining project, pre-sale project, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. So okay guys, this is the latest update. PSE Network, PSE mining project. So the wait is almost over. Starting August 2024, we began the distribution of PSE coins. It means that on 20th August, we will get our distribution, we will get the airdrop. So install Bomi now to smoothly transfer your coins to MetaMask or Trust wallet with the Bomi network. Bomi is a new mining project, a new mining application. You need to install the application inside your mobile phone in order to withdraw your airdrop, in order to get your airdrop and then transfer it to MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet. Because using PSE application, we cannot transfer our airdrop to the MetaMask or Trust wallet. So for that, we need to install the Bomi application. Inside Bomi application, you can submit your MetaMask wallet address, your Trust wallet address in order to withdraw the token. Okay, I will show you how to install it, how to get it. Although you can get, this is the link of Bomi application. Simply click on the link, install the application. Okay, to ensure a smooth transaction of your PSE coins to the Bomi mining application, please create an account in the Bomi application. Once done, submit your PSE ID and Bomi reference ID or the email address you used in both applications. Our team will handle the transfer of your coins. Don't miss out. This is the form. If I show you, this is the form. In here, what things you need to do? Simply, once you install the Bomi application, and then simply in here, log into the form and then simply paste your PSE reference ID or email ID and then Bomi reference ID and then click on submit option. Once you click on submit option, and then the developer will transfer the PSE airdrop to your Bomi account and then you can withdraw it to MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet. You can see this is the form. Check in here. Although you can get it from here. See. Okay, now let's jump to mobile phone. I will show you how to do it. So okay guys, this is the application of PSE. You can see my balance 11,000, and then in here if I show you about let me go back to profile section, profile update. This is my user ID. Check in here. This is my user ID. This is the PSE ID that we need to submit. Okay, got it? Okay, now let's go back to Bomi account. This is the Bomi application. You can install it from the Google Play Store. Simply you can use the link in Twitter. Even you can go to Play Store, simply search Bomi, so you can install this application. This is the Bomi account. Once you install the application, simply click I am a new user. Because you don't have any account, simply click I am a new user. Once you click on I am a new user, you can see this homepage. This is the homepage. If I go back, you can see. This is a mining project. You're just earning Bomi token. You can see. For now, this is my current balance. And then invitation, transaction, your wallet, further the Telegram, the Twitter, my reference team, roadmap, daily reward. This is my referral code. In here you can see. So now in here, once you install the Bomi application, so what things you need to do? Simply click on wallet option. Click on this. This is your reference ID. In here you can see this is your reference ID. Simply copy this, go to the form, submit this. And then you will get your airdrop in here. You will get your airdrop. After that, simply in here, paste your wallet address, the MetaMask wallet address. In here, you can see, to withdraw Bomi token to your own wallet, please register it, MetaMask or Trust wallet ERC20, Polygon Smart Chain, paste your address here. So for now, I don't want to paste my address. Let me see when we will get the airdrop. I will wait for the airdrop. I will see how we will get the airdrop, whether in Bomi token, whether in PSE coin, because we don't have any idea about that. Whether we will get in USDT, we don't have any idea. So I will wait once we will get the airdrop, and then I will decide, I will check whether I need to paste my MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet, or which network I need to add the wallet address. For that I will make video. So this is simple. This is, you can see, let me go to the form. Let me go to the form in here. This is my Bomi reference. Like if I type in here, and then Bomi 700314458, and then about the PSE, let me check. This is my user ID. You can see 8127070096, and then in here simply I need to use my this email address. Yep. And then simply click on submit option. Okay, PSE and Bomi mining application data form, your response has been recorded. So if I click on view score, you can see this is my PSE ID, this is my Bomi reference ID, you can see in here. So now I need to wait for the distribution, because on 20th of August we will get the distribution. So I will wait, and then we will get the distribution, I think, inside Bomi application. We will get the distribution inside Bomi application. So once I get the distribution, once I get the airdrop, of course I will make a video for you. I will tell you how to withdraw the airdrop inside your MetaMask wallet, inside your Trust wallet. So this two application, make sure we don't have time, because after 2 days we will get the airdrop. Make sure to just submit the form, because you should get your airdrop, you should get the distribution. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. This is all about the PSE network, as the distribution is coming soon. If you have any confusion, feel free to ask me in the comment section. So I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. Simply smash the like button to know while time high. Still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. This video is end up in here. Till the next video, goodbye. See you.